Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix ineligible country on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first thing you can do is you can simply choose to install a VPN, connect to a different region, and you can use it as well. Other thing is going to settings, simply go to this option of general, and from right over here simply go ahead, go to this language and region, and go ahead select to region by going over there. Once you have done, you're gonna go back, and now go to search bar and type in a location, and then you will find recent location and privacy. Go ahead, tap on this reset option, choose this option of reset location and privacy, enter the lock code of yours, tap on this done option, and then you will be able to simply reset it and you will be able to use it. So if still not working, that because the settings might take a little while to be all set and start working, so that could be the reason. Otherwise you will be able to do it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.